Good morning. Please come in and sit down.
Good morning, doctor. Thank you.
How are you today?
I am not feeling good. I am sick.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I have a bad headache and my throat hurts.
Oh no. How long have you felt like this?
I have felt sick for 3 days. It started on Monday.
Has it been getting worse every day?
Yes, it is getting worse. My headache is stronger and my throat hurts more.
That is not good. Do you have a fever too?
Yes, I have a little fever. It happens at night when I try to sleep.
Okay. Can you eat and drink?
No, it is hard to eat. My throat hurts when I swallow food.
That's normal with a sore throat. Are you taking any medicine?
I am taking painkillers, but they don't help much.
I see. Let me check your throat. Please open your mouth and say ah.
Ah,
Yes, your throat is very red. You have an infection.
is it serious, doctor?
No, it is not too serious. You just need medicine and rest.
That's good to hear. What medicine do I need?
I will give you antibiotics for the infection and medicine for the fever.
How many days should I rest at home?
You need to rest for 3 to 5 days. Drink warm tea and soup.
Okay, I will rest. Thank you, doctor.
Take your medicine as I said, and you will feel better soon.
Thank you, doctor. I will follow your advice.